Unit 2. How many did you? Activity 1 B. Listen to the following story. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. A boy was sitting at his table near the window. He was doing his homework. His mother asked, "Did you take your breakfast?" The boy said, "No." Mother called him and served his breakfast. He was about to start his breakfast. Then a beggar came to the door. He said, "Please give me something to eat." The boy looked at the beggar. He looked really very poor and hungry. He gave his breakfast to the beggar. The beggar was very happy. This boy was later known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Activity 1 Subhash Chandra Bose. A boy was sitting at his table near the window. એક છોકરો બારી પાસે ટેબલે બેઠો હતો. He was doing his homework. તે તેનું ગૃહ કાર્ય કરી રહ્યો હતો.
Did you take your breakfast? શું તે તારો નાસ્તો કર્યો?
No. ના.
Mother called him and served his breakfast. મમ્મીએ તેને બોલાવ્યો અને નાસ્તો આપ્યો. He was about to start his breakfast. તે નાસ્તો કરવાની તૈયારીમાં હતો. Then a beggar came to the door. ત્યારે એક ભિખારી તેને બારણે આવ્યો. Please give me something to eat. મહેરબાની કરીને મને કંઈક ખાવાનું આપો. The boy looked at the beggar. છોકરાએ ભિખારી તરફ જોયું. He looked really very poor and hungry. તે ખરેખર ખૂબ ગરીબ અને ભૂખ્યો દેખાતો હતો. He gave his breakfast to the beggar. તેને પોતાનો નાસ્તો ભિખારીને આપી દીધો. The beggar was very happy. ભિખારી ખૂબ ખુશ થયો. This boy was later known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. આ છોકરો પાછળથી સુભાષચંદ્ર બોઝ તરીકે જાણીતો થયો.
Activity 3. Listen to the following story. 7 at one blow. Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Gopal. He liked jalebis very much. One day, he bought some fresh jalebis. He put them in a dish. After a while, he saw flies buzzing over the jalebis. "Go away, dirty flies!" he shouted, but they didn't. He killed 7 flies at one blow. He said to himself, "Wow! 7 at one blow? I am very brave." The king heard about Gopal. He called him and said, "Gopal, you are a brave boy. Did you really kill 7 at a blow?" Gopal said, "Yes, Your Majesty, I did." The king said, "You know, there are 2 cruel giants in our kingdom. They trouble people. There is no one to catch or kill them." Gopal asked, Did anyone try to catch them before? The king replied, Yes, many people tried, but they failed. You are brave. You killed 7 at a time. The giants are only 2. Kill them, and I will give you a rich reward. Gopal knew he was not able to catch or kill giants. But the king and the people had high hopes for him. He thought for a long time. Then he went out in search of giants. He wandered here and there. He roamed in the mountains and valleys. But he failed. After some days, he was going through the forest. He saw the giants there. They were under a tree. Gopal was scared. He said to himself, Oh, the giants are really huge. They look cruel too. The task is really tough. I can't fight with them. He thought for a while. I will try, he said to himself. He threw some stones at them and hid himself behind a tree. One giant got up and asked the other, Did you throw stones at me? The other replied, No, I didn't. You did it, he shouted. Why did you throw stones at me? The first giant replied, I did not do anything. You threw stones at me. They began to fight. They fought fiercely and killed each other.